Marhaba from Abu Dhabi. This afternoon I would like to show you how to use the AR online learning application operated by 28TWELVE Technologies. First, download the application from Play Store or App Store depending upon your mobile device. Once it is downloaded, find the application where you have downloaded on your phone and tap on it for opening. Please tilt your phone for a better view. While you wait for the application to load, please give the access for your camera to the application. When the application is loaded, you will have multiple selections for 3D models. Select one of them for which you would like to explain in your online class. In this case, I'm selecting planet Earth. When you select Earth, it will appear on your rear camera and you can interact with this by zooming out or zooming in. And you can move it around or rotate it. Place it where you would like to for teaching on your online class and share on the screen on your online application which you are using for online classes. Thus, your students will be able to see the 3D model which will ease your teaching and their learning. Thank you.